It's Carrie the Paper Monkey. We're going to do Sunday Coffee and Collage. It's a weekly series that I do, and it is meant for me to practice my collage. I never would practice my collage. I wasn't good at it, didn't like to do it because I didn't think I was good at it, but I would never practice it until I committed to doing a weekly video. Once I committed to doing a weekly video, it really has changed the game for me. I keep practicing at least once a week, and that's really honestly, that's really what I do is just once a week where I do these collages with you guys. And I try to keep these videos real short because I don't want to belabor the point or make it crazy or complicated or anything like that, because I know there are a lot of you out there who feel and felt the same way as I did and do about collage. It would just intimidate me. And I don't know why, it just did, and it still does at times. Anyway, we're doing the Father's Day edition today. We're going to do like a Tim Holtz kind of Father's Day edition. But before we do it, I want to say to all the mamas out there who had to be mama and daddy, happy Father's Day to you too. Okay, so let's, I pulled this paper. This was something, I'm going to use this because of the, this came out of a pattern, as you can see here, a vintage pattern I had. I'm going to use this image for something else, but I liked the patina on this. So I thought what I would do is maybe just tear it. Would probably be the easiest way to just kind of get to some of it. I like to lay a backdrop on, yeah, I like to use a little backdrop on my collages. I do. I think that is kind of the way to go. Let's see. That's too much. Boy, that tore pretty easy, huh? And I'm actually going to tear this too. We're just going to make it all wonky. We're going to do something way out of our comfort zone. I usually don't do it. I really don't. I don't do it like that. But that's the way we're going to do it today. Today, it is raining outside. I'm filming this right after I finished with my Saturday morning Coffee Collage. Coffee Collage is a live stream we do, or I do on Saturday mornings. And just a group of us get together. We chat about different things. Nothing in particular, really. No script on my part, I promise you. But there are certain things that come across my feed, or, you know, I want to ask questions about to the group. So during the week, I'll, you know, might make a note and kind of mention it during Coffee Collage. But for the most part, we just kind of chat. We do a little bit of a craft. And I, by far, have the best chat group, hands down. Now, I pulled Tim Holtz pieces because I want to know, these are kind of big. I can cut it. I could tear it down if I want to. I just kind of not feeling that, really, to be honest with you. But I did want to use some of these Tim Holtz pieces for sure. That's the hardest part for me in collage. I'll tell you what the hardest part for me is, covering things up. Because in my mind's eye, it doesn't make sense. It does not make sense. Even still, it does not make any sense. I am gonna put this over here. And that's why I just never felt like I was good at it, because of that. Because I can't reconcile that. But one of the things that helped was going to a smaller book. I say this every week because it was so significant. Oh my God, that was such a significant thing to do, was cover up. I'm liking this right here. Was go from, I had a book. It was about this size, but it was a double page spread. And man, I was fixing to quit doing collage altogether. I really was. But once I got down to this size, game changer. Total and complete game changer. Okay, I like this. You see how quickly this can go? Don't make it complicated, y'all. Don't overthink it, and do not make it complicated. put things down. And here's another piece of advice I got from my friend Laura, the half-ass crafter. I say it all the time. And a couple of other people. I think my friend Susie, my bestie Susie said it. Maybe even Teresa, my sister from another mister. I think she might have said it too. Go to a smaller page. Those things, that was significant. That was significant. But don't analysis paralysis it. That's what I call it. Analysis paralysis. I'm very prevalent to do that on a lot of the different things in life. I will analyze something to death, man. Well, with collage, it really defeats the purpose, to be honest with you. It will. It'll defeat the purpose. Now, one of the things that I thought we may do, see, I wanted some color. I really wanted some color in this. Let's see something. I like him. And that has a perforation to it, but it's not perforating. Yeah, I wanted some color here. Okay. He's kind of dapper, huh? Some people call these Tim Holtz people, some people call them creeples. But he doesn't look creepy, does he? Some of them do, though. But I don't think he does. I got a few different sizes out because I didn't know. Size is a big thing for me, too. Like the spatial aspect of what size to use where, that's kind of always been a challenge for me. Let me put this. See, these little notepads come from Hobby Lobby. I always link them too in the video, in the description. You'll see these linked. They're only $1.99, and they do go 40% off. So keep that in mind if you want to play along, or if you even want to try something like this. I kind of like this better here. I feel like I want something here though. Let's see. We've got this little box right here. And several different, okay, this is not bad, it's just kind of big. Let me cut that off. Let's see. Again, I'm looking for something with some color. Oh, look, this we haven't used. Okay, I like that because of the roundness of it. I like that one. Or, oh, you want to do that one? Let's do that one instead. Oh, look at this shape. Oh, no, I like this shape. Okay, we're going to do that. That's it. This one is it. I have those boxes because I looked out several months back, probably. Oh, has it been a year? Might have been a year ago now. And I looked out and hit a sale, like a clearance sale at Hobby Lobby, and with a bunch of Tim Holtz stuff on clearance. So that's why I have what I have, because I don't usually gravitate to this style first. So I thought it was appropriate that we would do some kind of little Tim Holtz style Father's Day edition. We could do him there. I just feel like I want something here. What can we have here? These little frames are cute. That's cute, huh? I don't want to do the flowers. See how we're covering all that up? That just doesn't ring true for me, but it's too much, huh? I do like him up here. I just want something right there. Okay. It's not bad. We've got our little airmail. These little pieces. Oh, wait. Yeah, I like that. I like that. And I like this. I'm going to turn this like this, I think. Okay, I like that. I want more over here. I want more over here. Let's see. Kind of like that. We're getting down to the little bitty bits and bobs, huh? That's pretty cool, I think. Let's do that. So we're just gonna be busy today. We're just gonna have a busy little collage. I want to thank the ladies on my live stream today. I say ladies. I want to thank everyone on my live stream today, male, female, because did I screw up the first live stream? I had to create a whole new live stream. And I messed it up so bad. I told them I messed it up so bad. I couldn't even explain to you exactly how I messed it up, what I did to mess it up. Like, I know what I did to mess it up, but I can't articulate to you how I messed it up. Like, I cannot explain it. So, you know, that was pretty bad. When you can't even explain how you mess something up, but you know, you just can't tell people. Oh my God, that's too funny. You have to laugh. I say YouTube is God's way of teaching me how to slow my roll and accept that life is going to throw you punches and you just got to roll with them. Because, man, I'm wound pretty tight when it comes to stuff like that. Okay, I did that wrong. Let me put this one down. We're going to let y'all get about your day. I hope, I know there are some of you out there, though, that really do say that you're, you bought the book, you're playing along, and I'm just so thrilled with that. I really do think that's awesome. I mean, that's it, y'all. That's all we're going to do. And look, I mean, I'm going to call it a collage. I think it looks like a collage. So, if you want, like I said, play along. You don't have to buy this book. You don't even have to do that. You got a composition notebook? Get the composition notebook out, okay? Just don't overcomplicate it. Just don't. It's not worth it. Just practice. Just practice. And we'll all get better together. But this is Sunday Coffee and Collage, Father's Day edition, using Tim Holtz ephemera pieces. Thanks so much, guys, for coming along. I really do appreciate y'all. And I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I'm having practicing my collage every Sunday with you guys. Thanks, and we'll chat soon. Bye.